Before scanning your paperwork, make sure that you straighten out all pages and keep them as flat as possible. It may be helpful to use a clipboard or another flat surface when scanning in your paperwork. Open the Cowan Connect app and look for your completed loads under the Load section on the main homepage. Find the Pro number that the paperwork is associated with, and click the Scan Document button. Next, select the correct document type. This step is important to ensuring that your documents go to the correct department. Click Next to go to the next screen. Now it's time to scan your documents. Make sure that the document fits inside the black borders and click the camera icon to scan the document. From the next screen, you can trim the page if necessary. For multiple page documents, scan each page individually using the Add Another Page feature. This should only be used if the pages are associated with the same document type and the same Pro number. Once all pages have been scanned, click Send. This will take you to the Sent Documents screen where you can see all of your scanned documents. Click Done to go back to the main home page. Repeat these steps when scanning documents with a different document type or documents that are associated with a different Pro number. Write Scanned on the physical document copies and hand them into your terminal.